Will tie-bar wheels fit on Civic? Actually, you can install tie-bar wheels on the Civic with Honda 5x140.3 to 5x120 adapters. The wheel adapters come with full set of both patterns. One set is made to the vehicle specification, and the other set is machined to the wheel lug pattern. For example, a Honda 5x140.3 to 5x120 wheel adapters help your Civic to fit Type R wheels with no problems. They act as the extensions of the vehicle hubs, which are very useful to convert a bolt pattern into another bolt pattern. So, Honda wheel adapters enlarge the aftermarket wheels options, regardless of the bolt pattern. Since these Honda wheel adapters are installed between the hub assembly and wheels, they will make your wheels stick out the century distance. This is helpful to fix the wrong offset issues. If your new wheels stick in the fender a lot, then using bigger Honda wheel adapters will push the wheels out further to get flush with the fender flares. This also provides a muscle and powerful look. You can customize wheel adapters through brand adapters manufacturers. Compared to aftermarket sets, custom-made wheel adapters are guaranteed to exactly match their track specifications. Reputable manufacturers make nice wheel adapters. A manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. They will fit your tires and vehicle's top perfectly. The fitment and compatibility of custom wheel adapters provide a better ride of your vehicle than aftermarket ones, from the most basic theory to accurate drawing and mapping. BONOSS all-in-down a meticulous cut and straight refinement. So far, BONOSS has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more precise the contact fit is, the easier it can sit first up against the vehicle hub and wheel. Besides, BONOSS Honda wheel adapters are made of both 60626 and 7075T6 aluminum. All BONOSS Honda wheel adapters come with new wheel nuts or wheel studs. Most brand Honda wheel adapters are made of aluminum alloy. This means they won't rust easily. So, your BONOSS for active cooling Honda 5x140.3 to 5x120 adapters won't rust and get ugly over time.